Welcome to Branching Out. I'm Jordan Eggleston, the Professional Learning Coordinator with the Kane County Regional Office of Education. Assessing student learning can be a challenge. Creating quizzes and tests that need to be graded over the weekend doesn't give you real-time feedback during a lesson. This quick assessment strategy comes to you from Edutopia, and it's called Whiteboard Relay. Here's how it works. Divide students into groups and give them one whiteboard and one marker. Ask students an assessment question that requires more than one answer. Students then pass around the whiteboard and write one answer each before the last student puts the whiteboard on their head while proclaiming the signal word, "Done!" The teacher then quickly checks the whiteboards and makes note of any trends. Teachers love this strategy because it takes little time to prepare, allows for collaboration, assesses student learning quickly, and is fun and engaging for students. So now, it's your turn to branch out to implement the whiteboard strategy in your classroom. Please don't forget to share your experience with us by tagging us on social. And as always, thanks for watching Branching Out.